In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host to your Airbnb listing. This is a fantastic way to manage your property more effectively by sharing responsibilities with a trusted individual. Whether you're looking to expand your property management team or simply need some extra help handling guest communication, adding a co-host can be a game changer. Let's walk through the complete process together, ensuring that it's straightforward and easy to understand. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Airbnb's homepage. This is where our journey begins. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, usually represented by a small silhouette or your profile picture. Clicking on your profile will take you into your account settings, where most of the magic happens. Now switch to your host account. It might be tempting to explore other options, but let's stay focused. Look for an option marked Manage Listings or Your Listings. This link is your gateway to accessing all the properties you might be managing through Airbnb. Once you've clicked through, you'll see your list of properties. Select the listing where you'd like to add a co-host, which will bring up the listing management dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll find various settings and features related to your listing. We want to look for the co-host settings area. Clicking this will direct you to the co-host management section, where you can begin adding additional team members. Here comes the exciting part. Look for the button that says Invite a co-host. When you click this, a small window will pop up requesting some details about your potential co-host. You'll need to enter the email address or Airbnb profile link of the person you want to invite as a co-host. This is the key step where you establish their access. Take a moment to ensure accuracy in this section. A small mistake here can delay the process. After entering the necessary details, you'll click to send the invitation. Your co-host will then receive an email notification or an in-app message to let them know they've been invited to manage your listing alongside you. Once they accept your invitation, you'll notice their name appearing under your co-host list on the platform. The relationship doesn't end there. It's crucial to set appropriate permissions for your co-host by clicking on their name. You have the flexibility to designate what roles they can take on, perhaps handling guest messages, managing the booking calendar, or overseeing payouts. Tailor these permissions to suit your needs and their strengths. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a co-host to your Airbnb listing, setting the stage for a more efficient and collaborative hosting experience. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.